So how to appeal a parking ticket? So to go ahead and appeal a parking fine, it's a fairly straightforward process, but it is something you must do within 28 days of receiving the fine. And if you do it within 14 days, you may only need to pay 50% if it's rejected. Now, before we jump into the video, one thing I need to clarify is this video covers the step-by-step process to appealing parking fines that are issued by local councils. If you've received a parking fine from a private company, such as a supermarket car park, retail park, or just a private car park, the process will be slightly different there, as depending on the private company, they'll usually have their own online portal where you can make the appeal from there. So any notices from private companies, just look at the letter, follow the instructions from there, as it should be made clear which website you need to go to appeal. But anyway, jumping back into the video, so here on screen, we've got an example of a typical parking fine. The first thing you're going to need to do is clarify which council issued your parking fine. So to go ahead and find that out, if you look at your issued parking fine, the council should be listed from there. So right here, we've got an example of a parking fine. And as you can see, this parking fine in particular was issued by Milton Keynes City Council. So once you know which council issued the fine, you'll then want to head to Google, search for your council, and then add on PCN to the search. And then from there, it should give you the PCN webpage for your specific council. So you'll just go ahead and click it. And then once you've done that, it should open you up to your council's PCN webpage. So for example, here is the Milton Keynes one. Now obviously every council's webpage will be slightly different, but it should look something like this. And somewhere on the web page there should be an option to appeal the PCN fine. So as you can see on the Milton Keynes one, it says appeal the PCN right here. Then once you've done that, it should bring you through to a web page that looks like this, where you'll then need to go ahead and input your car's registration along with the PCN number. So referring back to your original PCN ticket, you should be able to locate the PCN number on the ticket. So on our example, it's located right here where the arrow is pointing on screen, and it's usually 2 letters followed by an 8 to 10 digit number. So once you've entered your PCN number along with your registration, you just want to go ahead and click search right here. Then once you've done that, it should open you up to this page here, which will provide you some information about the fine. And to go ahead and dispute it, there should be an option like this that says challenge. So if you go ahead and click that, and then from there, you just want to go ahead and fill out the form and explain why you wish to appeal the fine. Now, as I said previously, every council's process will be slightly different. So what I'm showing you on screen might differ depending on the council, but you simply just want to fill in why you wish to appeal the fine. And on the Milton Keynes one, as you can see, there's a few examples of what we can pick, which covers a few topics to why you wish to appeal. So for the example of this video, I'm just going to select I had a permit. But again, everyone's situation will be different, so make sure you just fill it out as honestly as possible. Then once you've selected the reason, click continue. And then once you've done that, it will bring you through to a page that looks like this. And depending on what you've picked, it will give you some more information. So obviously on the topic of I had a permit, it obviously informs me if I'm able to prove I had a permit, the fine can be cancelled. Again, everyone's situation will be different, so make sure you give it a read, catered to the option that you picked. And then once you've understood that, click continue. And then from there, it will just give you a few more pages, just asking for more information about why you wish to appeal the fine. Obviously for me, I said I had a valid permit, so it's just going to ask a bit of information about the permit I had, along with asking for any evidence. So again, this process is going to be different for everyone. So you just want to fill in the form, explain your grounds for appealing, and provide any evidence upon request. Then once you've filled in all your evidence, you'll then just be asked to review it, so you can go ahead and review all your information from here. And if you're happy, click continue at the bottom. Then final step, you'll just be asked to fill in your full name, address, postcode, and just various other information such as email and phone number. And then once you've entered all that information, you can go ahead and select submit appeal. And there you have it. And you've successfully filed your appeal. Now obviously from here, depending on your council, It's worth reading the terms, but usually you will not be expected to pay the fine until a decision has been made, as usually paying a fine while a decision is being made is acceptance of liability. So that's just something to consider. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below, and thanks again for watching.